Thank you guys so much for stopping by and visiting us at Beno Sester Malka. In this video, we actually reviewed Mystic Market. Ooh, I think in the video I may have called it Magic by mistake. I apologize. Mystic Market. And then, of course, we have Bug Out, which is our new unboxing. Don't forget to stay to the video because I have a few more announcements as to why we didn't unbox next week's game. There's a whole lot of things. And if you see any game that you like, two things I beg of you. Number one, give this video a thumbs up so I'll know there's a game that you liked here and it'll make me review more games. And number two, a huge thank you to the person. I cannot thank them enough for sending me a gift card that I was able to use to purchase art supplies for my students. So thank you guys so much. Thumbs up. Check out the descriptions below. All the links are available and I can't wait to see you guys next week. Do that. I first want to give the biggest thank you. Someone anonymously sent me a gift card to Amazon, and a huge thank you from the bottom of my heart. My students we're doing art and feelings and emotions and color and portraiture, and this gift card could not have come in time. Again, I don't know who it is, so I'm thanking my whole entire community. Thank you for the gift card. I actually used it to purchase little blenders for my students. So they're really going to take their portraits to the next level, because until now, I'm teaching them how to use their fingers. Not as effective. And now we have proper blenders. So thank you. If you would like to be the next person to send a gift card, thank you for whoever did it. But if you check in my profile, there is a link to my email. And all you have to do is just go onto Amazon, send the gift card. These little gestures have helped my students so much. So we're going to get to the game review. Thank you again. And then we're going to have some announcements for next week because there's a few changes coming up. So super excited. All right. First, a review on Mystic Magic. Now, I think it was just me. I've played complicated games like Wingspan or stuff. Mystic Magic stumped me. I don't know if it was the rules. I don't know if it was the pieces. The overall gameplay is really not that difficult. But I guess when you only have a week and you're just rushing, maybe that was it. I don't know. But this is definitely a game I want to play more often. So the game is really simple. You have, as you could see here, the vials, potions. And you have to use your cards to trade and buy vials. And you get points, which is super fantastic. If you buy a vial for no points, you can actually increase the value of another point. So if you're kind of hearing what I'm saying, if you do one move, then you enhance the next move. Doesn't that sound like executive functioning? Spot on! Yes! I was shocked. Mystic Market is a simple, card game where you buy potions in a market. And the market is the vials over here. It's a beautiful game. But guess what? If I know what to buy and I'm giving up or making moves I don't need, I can all of a sudden turn my potion into more points. How cool and fantastic is that? Which is the exact steps of executive functioning. My action now has a cause and effect and a reaction later. So yeah, like I said, I can't exactly say if it's fun or not. I did not have enough time to really get into this game. But from what I was able to play, this game has a ton of potential, and I definitely want to do a follow-up because, whoa, executive function, potions, tons of fun. Who could ask for anything more? Now, for this week's game, it's a little card game that was donated to me. Again, if you'd like to donate a game, feel free to message me, and I will share with you how. This game is called Bug Out. So thank you as a local community member is here, I have a game. I know you run a game school. Enjoy. I was like, thank you. It says over here, the creepy scramble for bugs and slugs. Ooh, so many kids would love this game. Just a few notes. This is the size of a little card box. So if you are, and I know so many game schoolers do that, if you have those little hard boxes, the little plastic photo keeper boxes, this is the perfect game for that. So let's actually see what's inside. Oh, okay. So there's very few things inside, which is another plus. So it'll definitely fit in those photo keeper boxes. All right, so there's two little packets in here, and they look to be the same. If you see, maybe it's a matching game? I don't know. It's cute, though. I mean, they're not the really scary, gross bugs, so definitely liking that. 1 second. One of those so difficult to open packets. game designers or sellers, if you're watching this or listening to me, I love when you put those red tabs or just zoop, open it up. They make my life so much easier. Anyway, we got these little bug tokens. So I guess you got, spider. Oh, gross. Centipede. Oh, they're not the same. Look at that. Fly, centipede, snail, grasshopper flying, ladybug, bee. I really don't like bugs. So the fact that I'm really doing this in appreciation to the person who donated this game to me, but I don't like bugs. Let me know in the comment box below if you're like me and just with bugs. So I hope my students don't ask, me to play this game too often. I'm not going to be so happy. Anyway, we're going to open the next. So we have the circle tiles. Now we have the square tiles. Oh, come to think about it, the instructions I did not see. Oh, okay, they're in there. I'll show you that after. I guess the instructions were on the bottom. Oh, well. Let's see, how do we open it? Oh, my goodness. As you can see here, it's like all stuck. So opening is not, okay. We've got different bugs here, too. I don't know what type of game this is, but there are bugs and more bugs, and oh my. These bugs actually have the back behind it. They are not double-sided like the previous one. Ooh, a bug. I'm sorry. I just, really don't like bugs. Not dead, not alive, not fake, not cartoons. No bugs for me. But again, bug out. Now let's check out the instructions. Okay. The instructions are, they're very cute. Very nice. Very simple. Look at this. Two-sided. These are, again, I don't know if you can see perspective. Look, it's shorter than the palm of my hand. So it's going to be a really nice read. So bug out. I guess it's going to be a cute game to add to our collection. I'll let you know more about it when I unbox it. Now for the important announcements, as you can see, for the first time, I did not do an announcement for next week because I do not have next week's game. And I'll tell you a few reasons why. We have the holiday coming up, the holiday of Hanukkah. So my family and I, or hopefully, will be gifted with a few new games to our collection. That being said, I don't know what the games are. So I cannot tell you what to expect. But here are a few things. Number one, for next week, I don't exactly know if I'm going to be doing a live or not. My goal is to kind of do a quick review of what we actually received for the holidays and then follow it up every week with an unboxing. I don't know. It's the holidays. It's the kids. They may want to play with their games. They may let me unbox it. Like I said, I don't know. So here's what's going to happen. Next week, maybe I'll be on, maybe I won't. If not, I highly suggest you check the link above for our YouTube channel. Which, speaking of YouTube channel, I would like to really get back into. I have a ton of resources there, but I want to add even more. So if you guys have seen any game on this channel that you want to see a full-fledged just video on that, message me, and I'm actually going to do a gameplay for you guys along with something I don't do here, and that's specifically the educational content context of what you could expect in game schooling. Number two, if there are any questions on game schooling, education, behavior management, you name it, again, leave me a question and I'd like to answer those on full videos on my YouTube channel. So thank you guys so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to see you guys either next week or the following week when we unbox new games to add to our game school. Thank you. Bye.